How can you not like Bali? The people, the waves, the land, freedom. There are many reasons. What I really like about the culture is that people are happy, relaxed and enjoying the moment. This island is a little bit different from the others. They believe in karma. Called also the island of God, you can feel the energy around you. I decided to move here from Milan around 6 years ago. It was a life-changing decision. I found a perfect place to live free, away from being a slave of society. The ocean is just next door, which gives me a lot of inspiration. If I'm not surfing, I'm spending time in my studio painting. What fascinates me is trying to catch the reflection and movement of the ocean. I've been recently trying to put it on canvas in a different way. 4 years back, a friend told me they had a little puppy to be rescued. I didn't want a dog, but after taking care of him for a few days, I knew already that Trevor and me were going to be best friends. They say that you find a dog. I think the dog find you. Here I have the chance to surf every day. It's not just something that keeps you in shape, but it's also a way of meditation. You be there out in the ocean, you're hearing the waves, you getting some of those, you're generating speed. It's like a unique feeling. You get addicted to it. My name is Mattia. I'm from Italy and this is where I live.